Boost snowball. Whoa! There I am. Holy shit, this entire video is completely fucking useless. Everything I explained is fucking useless. Okay. What the fuck is this audio switch? Go away. Oh. Oh. Oops. How the fuck do I get rid of this? I don't fucking know. I'm just going to task manager this. I don't even know how I opened this bullshit. I found it. Blop. Okay. Back to this. It's not 9 slicing. I don't know why. Set to sliced. It's probably the actual sprite that's fucked then. Wood frame. Set to multiple. Okay, that explains a lot. Oh, I understand what is happening. I tried to make a 9 slice by adding these things. Like it's supposed to create a 9 slice, but if you then put it to multiple, what it will do instead is slice it into multiple different sprites. Instead of making it like one 9 sliced thingy. So what we do is set this to single. Okay, now you see all the sprites get removed. I was wondering, like, why the fuck do I have 8 of these? And it's fixed. Okay. Ja. Jawohl. I do want the edges to be not that thick, maybe. I don't know. Wait, it's not even set to sliced. Image doesn't have a border. What? What? What does that mean? How can an image not have a border? Is this an infinite image? I'm so confused. Is it because I don't do this full rect, maybe? I have no fucking clue what this means, but just trying shit, okay? This images. Yeah, I've never seen this warning before. Image does not have a border. What the fuck? There's clearly a border to this image, right? Or am I going crazy? Oh wait, it reset the... That's what it means. It reset this bullshit. What the fuck? What? Oh my god. Why does it do nothing until suddenly at 100? No, not even. Okay, wait. Not really sure why this works like this. Why it doesn't do anything for the first 100. I don't know. Wait, I want to be somewhat like this. Like this. Then I want like this. Oh. To be honest. Let me think what I need in the UI. I need leveling up. But that doesn't need to be UI necessarily. Anyway, I think the best is to make the canvas go around the little people. Like this. Width we go like 15, whatever. Something like that. Need another panel. Put it up here. Will be locked to the guy himself, the center. This needs to be way smaller. How do I want the level up to look like? Also scrap the leveling up mechanic. It's nice to level up your crew, but you're not really interacting with the system, right? You're just playing the game and meanwhile your crew will level up. If you take them with you on your journey. Like, I guess it's just more dopamine. So I guess it's fine. So a crew will have some randomly generated buffs right here. So it will, for example, have damage. And then like 50%. And the level up will increase this level scaler, which scales the buff. I don't know with what amount I want it to increase. For example, if you level up, it goes like 1.3 and then 1.6 and then maybe 2 at the end. Something like that. This would mean that probably when you first get a new crew, he feels pretty weak until you level him up at least like once or twice. So you get a little bit the effect where you have this leveled up crew already and you don't really want to replace them with a new crew that is low level. Or is that fun? I don't know if that's fun or if that's annoying. I feel like it would just be annoying. And I also feel like making a level up system is a lot of work. It would be more fun if a level up would mean like it gets maybe an extra effect. So it's like a rolling the dice whenever it levels up. You get this little moment of what is it gonna get. Maybe a feature to build after the game's release. That's a good point. Like shit like this can be added later. So fuck that. Yeah, to be honest, this entire crew system is pretty much like extra. So adding extra things to the extra system seems a bit too much. Anyway, let's do this now. We need a little thing. The thing that does the spacing. We need to space the thing. What the fuck is it called? I can't remember. It's called a... Why is it not here? Wait. Straight up not here, okay. Vertical layout group, oh my god, finally. What is we ought is the text. English, I'm very good. English, I'm very good. When I speak it, I speak it good. The fuck? Oh wait, you do this in the layout group now, of course, okay. I always forget how this works. I think you just said this. Wait. Oh, it's already properly scaling. It just needs to auto font. I don't know what I fucked up, but somehow like font -1 is not even small enough. Don't think you can do decimals in font size. No. I guess we just fucking scale it down or something. Don't know what else. Lazy to think. Luckily with the way this text works, you never really get a pixelated effect that you get with the regular text. Even though you're doing weird shit with the scale and it's probably fucked up somehow. Biba. Alright, then we get some padding. Oh. I forgot that the scale's fucked up, so... I can also not add decimals in padding. Oh my fuck. I need to fix this. I don't know what's happening. Let me check this because... Wait, what am I doing? Oh yes. I hate it. UI can be so confusing sometimes, like shit like this where you can't enter decimals, so because you're working on a small scale somehow, I don't know why. It just completely fucks up all the settings. Let's get some Itka blood. Eat kablaat. Eat blakklaat. I do think I need to replace this font maybe with a slightly more readable one someday. Isn't it slightly hard to read? I think what I want to do is just keep this width high. So we do times 100, fuck it. The shield's not the right way to do it, but I think because it's a world canvas, this is the right way to do it. Keep the width high and then you reduce the scale. Let's see how this completely fucks everything up. Yep, exactly. I should have probably done this with the canvas. Whatever. Dankjewel.
Dat was kapot aan het beloven.
Wauw. Dat is vet.
Dat ik het erin kan krijgen. Helemaal onder trommel.
Klinkt leuk.
Ja.
Lekker trommelen. Kilogram on the neck. Our money respect. Bitch. Bitch. Okay, now this is at least controllable, so guess that counts as a win, right? So now if I add multiple. Wow. Are you proud of me? Look at this. Look at this. Scaling automatically, baby. Let's rename this. It's not a T, it's a... It's a TT. It's a TT. It's a text. Buff text. That's what it is. Okay. What is the text we want? I think these texts will be also generated, of course. So this will have to be a prefab eventually. I think we can do the coding already. I think this is pretty much you only need text. I think. Let's do some coding. It's always so. Sometimes I have my setup like this because I need one script only, and so I just drag it so I have more space to look at the one script. But then sometimes when you open a new script, it opens it like this, where the script you chose to open is on the right. And you're just sitting there like, wait, I did not open this script. And then you're like, oh wait, it's over here. It's hiding from me. Oh, it's hiding from me. So we definitely need a prefab. Buff UI entry prefab. do we have all the level up code already? So I would only have to do the UI, to be honest, but this is the hardest part, so I'm still inclined to say fuck that. And well, there's probably going to be bugs, right? So it's always going to be bugs, so it's not like this code is tested, for example. I made this code very early and I never tested it because I didn't have the UI ready. Or like anything. So we want to show the stat. Well, we want to generate the stat text. That's what we want. I think we just do it on init. Yeah. We say we also need a reference to where the buff entry thingies need to be parented to. Oh, not equals. What do we call this? Info panel. Instantiate the UI entry prefab with parent being info panel. Okay, that's how we create one. I should make a method for this. Init. Oh fuck. Init with text. Or let's say info panel. Okay. For each. Where do I store the actual buffs? In data, it seems. Let's programming it in a way where we still keep the level up system working, ideally. Shouldn't be that much harder. I'm pretty sure what happens eventually is it will set this file, which is a buffables, which just keeps track of all the buffs. That's where the actual final value will be. That should be displayed. Yeah. So yeah. The only thing we needed to make sure of is that the update buffables happens before we init the info panel, which we accidentally did already, so that's good. Wait. I have two inits. I think this init is for when you load it from a save. So you load straight up all the data you already have saved. And you can just set the data to that and then you're done. This will actually create a completely unique new one with a new set of buffs and everything. Honestly, naming them both init is probably not the proper way to do it, but whatever. Whatever. So, for each is not the right term then. Or is it? Because I feel like if buffables contains the final value, what we should be doing is find all buffables values that are not 0. Right? Or like go through the buffs and only use the names to then look up in the buffables. That's what we will do, yes. Data dots. Wait, what? It's called data. What the hell? Data, please just. Why can I not access this? Oh wait, it expects me to do a type first. I'm stupid. I hate, by the way, Julian. How the fuck do I disable this? It's time that I disable this. Like, why if I press point, like dots, what's it called? Fucking every symbol's called. Why does it automatically like fix my shit? It's annoying. It should only do it when I press tab. Not when I press anything else. I hate this. Absolutely hate this. I'm going to fix it though. It's probably preferences. Okay. Maybe it's an extension. Tools. Customize. I don't know. What is this? I think it's, yeah, I need this. And then tap only. Tap only. I did it, I think. Oh my god, I did it. Don't use Google. Use your brain. I love that they have this specific fucking option to switch between the tap only modes. I expected it to say something like autocomplete on or off or something. But no, it straight up just says tap only mode. Wat die probleem? Oh wait, I'm stupid. Fucking hell. Biff. So then we go buffables. Get value by name. Go buff that name. This gets the value and then we put it in the text. Simple as that. So let's get using UI yet. Using Unity engine.ui. And I want Xmesh Pro. Oh, I don't think it's Unity engine. I think it's just, yeah. the name of the buff, of course. Because we need to translate it using the dictionary that's also in buffables. Translate with translation. It's funny that this is the only time I've ever used a dictionary as a dictionary. Straight up. And then we need to do a bit more because I just realized that I have negative buffs. I guess the negative is already in this value. I need to do the percentage based thing though. See if I need to add a percentage sign. You want just a space between these. Then we want to add the value. Times 10 actually, or times 100, because we go to percent. Can you some more space, please? Yes, thank you. String plus final percent. I think I want to flip it around though. Where we end with the name. So this way all your values will be straight above each other, hopefully. So it looks a bit more clean. Little happy accident. No, just copy paste it and just don't do the percentage thing. And don't do the times 100 thing. So yeah, we set the text pretty much. We parented. Do we parent it? Yes, we parented and instantiate. I think this is just it. Just need to call this what you already do. Okay, nice. Let's turn this into a prefab then. Delete it. Do these references. Okay, now let's also do the logic for showing the info panel. which it should be disabled by default. So let's disable the entire canvas. No, not the entire canvas. That doesn't make sense. Now we go to the left, where we have all my other scripts. How do we do this? Because right now, my thought was whenever you drag it around, it shows the stats. Which is probably fine, but it's a bit annoying if you end up having a bunch of crew guys walking around. You lose track a bit of what everyone does, right? Can be a bit annoying if it's... Also, you don't want to accidentally drag your crew to a different position, right? I feel like there needs to, if you just tap very swiftly, it should just toggle the stats. I think. Then when you drag it, it also shows. Een beetje mayo. Boom shakalaka. Have you ever eaten Whopper chips? I have Whopper Doritos. And it's fucking horrendous. It's just don't put hamburger in a chip. It doesn't work. Sounds too good to be true, and it is too good to be true. It's as simple as that. Now putting chips on your hamburger, now that's something you can do. Why is there nothing popping up? My guess it's in the background. It's 100% in the background. Yep, it's on. Or is it? Yeah, look, there it is. I found it. I don't know why it suddenly appeared like that. I think it's because it's way beyond the camera right now. This should fix it. This does not fix it. Maybe I play for a little bit? Yes, okay. Wait. Oh, it is flipping. Oh. Oh. This is fucking horrendous. Did generate some text. Area 45%. Is it correct though? Let's see if the text is correct at least. Text is correct, okay. Yeah, so I know exactly what's happening. I know exactly how to fix it. No, I don't. The thing is, I don't want the UI to rotate at all. That's already fucked up. Because it's now just straight up a child. I wonder if I tell this to not be a world canvas, but like whatever the fuck this is. Now rotate the base screw. Okay, then the canvas doesn't rotate with it. That's all I wanted to know. But that would also mean that it doesn't move with the actual guy, which is annoying. I think the only solution really is to create this panel separate and then let it follow the player instead of being childed to it. Let it follow the crew. It also immediately solves the sorting issue, so let me do it like that. So I guess we also prefab the panel then. Or the problem is the canvas, isn't it? I guess we also remove the canvas. Yeah, that's fine. And delete all this. All dit. Game master, no. Oh, what am I doing? Now we need to parent it to the canvas that already exists, I think. Pretty sure there's a world canvas in the tavern. Yeah. That's nice because then I can, through tavern controller, I can just assign it a canvas instead of having to do something wacky. Question is, I don't think it knows about the canvas right now, so let's make sure we have a reference to it. I should really fix this, bro. You can fix this now. Very big bullshit. Okay, what's the thing? This thing. We want the thing. Okay, this is still a bit fucked. This does not actually have a reference to the tavern controller. Like this instantiating and initting of the panel needs to happen every single time. Needs to show up. Sounds annoying. It's called init and show. So I can then just immediately call init and show. We destroy it. This needs a canvas. What? How can I not just expect? What does it mean? Oh, wait, I'm trying to go from canvas to transform. Wait, what? Do you mean it cannot go from game object to transform? That's what I've been doing all my fucking life.
Eet u mee?
Yeah. It is just straight up possible. Of course it is, because I've been doing it all my fucking life. Oh, I see. It's this, I think, is the problem. The info panel is also a transform. But I can do this. Yes. Not this, it's transform. So you create the panel, put it on the canvas, tell it to follow the player. Everything good? Maybe, probably not. I just need to canvas now, which it can give by doing this. Now we just need to do some references and then I don't know. Oh, we need to add the follow script. This all feels so over-engineered, but I'm pretty sure this is the only way to properly get UI to follow something without rotating with it and doing everything the parent does. It's not that complicated, really. Just can explain it in like a sentence. Like, wow, boobs. Should put boobs in my game. We all know boobs sell. But I don't have boobs, so if you have boobs, give me a call. Oh, that's such a cursed sentence. Holy shit. It's a good pickup line as well. Imagine in the club, right? You're just shouting like, "If you have boobs, give me a call. My number is 0510." Like that would be ideal society, right? Where you could just straight up be like, interested in boobs. Send me message if you have boobs. And that just works. Oh, why is it doing this? Sometimes Unity just does this infinitely. And it's fucking amazing. I'm waiting until 420 and then I'm lost my patience. I'm so glad though that all the scripts and shit and all the files are just saved separately, which also makes just a lot of sense, but like I've worked in programs where your entire project is just one file, right? For example, music software, quite often your song will just be one file. It's not so like every part is its own little thing. So if the program crashes, you still have your things. No, you just lost everything. You can just see it infinite looping, by the way. You can see the completing domain text just blinking every once in a while because it indicates to me that it's just redoing the same thing. Oh, no, 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 no. Fucking hell. No, I love when a misclick just can fuck everything up like that. What the fuck did I close? Nothing. Okay, I closed nothing. Except for my music. On my browser. Things. Wait, what? My brain is crashing. Okay, I got my chats back open. Is it working? Yes, okay, I see myself moving. Just quickly looking if I wasn't showing anything weird. Be careful with Discord. Should also do more in streamer mode. Right now it only obscures the names. But it's still showing the picture. And like nicknames, it's also showing. Like straight up the name of this call. This is not even a nickname, this person's name. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Weird. Alright, where I was. References. That's what I was doing. Canvas. Look. Apply it. Now we want to add the follow thing to the info panel. This is basically, I use this to have like kind of the parenting logic, but without everything being enabled. So I can enable if I want to follow rotation or if I want to follow the skill. Do I want to do it in local space? Whatever the fuck that means. I can even say for the skill you need to use this one transform, and for the rest you need to use this transform. So I don't have to set anything here because it's done in script. That's good. feel like I need to do more, but I think this is it. Yeah, let's just test it. Let's get my music back before I start going insane. Yeah. Lekker banaantje eten. The music. Nintendo. What the hell? Is Nintendo dub? Yo, that peach has some cake. Anyway. Don't quote me on that, by the way. How is this music, bro? It's Nintendo inspired. Some genre, I don't know. I'm confused. I hate everything, bro. Why do I keep misclicking on the fucking close everything option? Oh shit, this was loading pretty fast. I guess if you close it, it still has a lot of shit loaded, maybe? I don't know. Yes, this is what I wanted. The Wii Shop theme. That's the only thing a person needs in their life. Straight up just the Wii Shop theme and put some fucking bass on there. And you'll have a fucking banger of a party. Did I do the references for the crew? I did not, okay. Okay, let's not fuck it up this time. Click. Okay. I'm so good at clicking on the right fucking thing. How is it even legal to make Nintendo based music? Juice? We need more juice in life, baby. But it's doing the thing. And this is where I made the offset for. This is what I made the offset for. I have an offset. Wait, I'm confused. How is the offset not a vector right now? Lekker, 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 lekker. Lekker, lekker. Lekker, lekker. Lekker, 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 lekker. Lekker, lekker. Lekker, lekker, lekker. Lekker, lekker, lekker. Lekker, lekker. What the fuck am I doing? My brain is melting right now. Oh. Oh, he's on drugs. Oh, he's on drugs for sure. Holy fuck. I'm watching this video of like a DJ set, and then suddenly this one guy pops up, and he's just full like 200% ADHD, just touching his head every fucking 3 seconds, shifting his focus to something else every half a second. Bit too distracting, to be honest. What was the problem? Oh, the offset was confusing as fuck. This is a rotational offset. It's a rotational offset. That's not explained anywhere. Anyway, I think I want to do a little bit of these. Where we go. Nice road canvas to use. We need to think a bit more because you do want to swap the info panel to the left or right of the character depending on which side of the screen you're on. UI is a surprising amount of work, to be honest. And just the swapping left to right whenever there's not space anymore. That's not a very easy thing to make, right? I can't think of many simple prototypes for games that are easier to make than just this feature for the UI. It's just I need to listen to music without the video. This is distracting. All right. Okay. So I guess I think what I want is a parent object. No, I don't. It's best to add it to the crew, do it himself. Um, something like this, or we have to transform preset to the right position. Then whenever this dude himself detects he's too close to the edge of the screen, he will flip this point. Basically saying minus position. This way we're not flipping anything, so the text will stay the right direction. It requires a bit of extra code, that's fine. So like I need a new script for this, something that's can easily detect like the edge of the screen. Nah, fuck it, I'll just do a edge flip, edge toggle. It's the most generic way I can think of describing this. So what do we do when close to 0 in screen? Say X. when x of crew x of this smaller. Wait, let's just say when close. No. And transform that x is smaller than margin. Okay, I'll just code it. I feel like this pseudocode will just be almost the actual code. What I should probably do is make this detection code for when it's close to the edge. And then make a new script that inherits from this one. That will then implement the actual reaction to being too close. I think I'll just do that. Anyway. We need a margin. So if it's smaller than margin, it's too close to the left. Oh. We need to translate this to screen space though. So I should store this camera. I want to get the camera because this is a get component essentially. So I want to run this in update and I don't want to get component every single update for something like this. This is just a boolean return of course. Punt worlds to screen points, right? Or do you want viewports? Yeah. Okay, let's just use this. Okay. If it's bigger than now we into screen size minus the margin. Screen total width minus the margin. And then go if is close to left. Now we want the virtual. Oh. This needs to be public, right? Public search. We could also do like a else if and then an else at the end and then check for if it's just in the center, but I don't care right now. We remove this instantly and we make a new one and we call it edge adjust position. Something like that. What edge toggle, which is a shitty name now that I think about it. Should be like edge detect. So we get two positions now. We get pulse. We override these cool methods. You can basically say now. Or let's call it target transform. It was so hard. Something like that. What is nice about this, I can reuse the edge detection script without having to like break the script apart or something. I can just straight up reuse this script that I made, the parent of this one. Okay, this can be the target. We need to 36514. So now this point should flip between the two positions. Now add the transform. So let's follow target transform. This is so much work for such a simple UI. I guess the reason it's difficult is because my tavern scene is kind of difficult. The way you can just pick everything up and move it around. UI needs to be generated partly. Shit like that. Everything is the same, but now it follows this. Which, let's just check if it even works properly. We do that by putting this dude in a scene, I think. Put the guy in a scene, find them. Might be a bit fucked. Due to the canvas being a bit fucked. Confusing me right now. If this is a world space canvas, then why is I guess it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, no problem. The problem was because I anchored it weird. This is where this is, and this is where this is. So I guess you put this slightly more to the left. Yeah. Four is the new value. Okay. That's nice because it's easy to change. Save a billion jillion times. Dun, 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 dun. Baba booey. I want the sunny weather back. It's like pure summer vibes for like maybe a week. And now it's just back to shitty Dutch weather. The weather, it's most of the year, to be honest. It's the reason I might one day leave this country. Is I just love summer. And I love nature, so. And I love, what's it called? How do you say it? I love a bit of rough chaos and shit, like mess. I love messiness. So, the Netherlands is flat. The only thing we have is flat fucking fields, and I hate it. And the way we build houses is like all the same, exactly the same, copy paste. For like entire villages, entire cities. And I fucking hate it. My god. Oh yeah, oh. This stupid ass fucking point, of course, fucking follows the rotation. I was so close. I can't even check if it's working now. Because it's flipping the point when the character flips. Basically, this point cannot be a child. So this is useless for sure. We go back to just following the character. I already know the solution. Which is the first thing I thought of, which I just should have done. It's the follow script. Just add a proper offset. We get this vector and we do plus offset. I think that's all we need to do. Or we need to copy it for the world position. Yeah, that's all I need to do. It was easy. It was way easier than the fucking thing I just did. We do need to make sure we change this offset. So we go to this panel. You move this. And now we go. Follow dot pos offset equals. Margin. I did not set the margin. Margin should kind of be the width of this thing. With the scale has been changed. So it's more like really 6. So let's do 10. Let's make sure it starts also with the proper offset. I don't think this requires any changing, so that's nice. Any further changing? I did do a lot of changing already. It does feel good to be back on the grind. I had so much trouble with my colliders yesterday. Because, like, you know the green outline of a collider? One of the collider that was working was very bright, the outline. The one that wasn't working was very dark, so I was like, this has to mean that it's disabled somehow, right? Well, no. Turned out the collider that was bright was disabled. So yeah. Fuck Unity. Oh! Oh! Just need a bit more margin and we're done. Does feel fucking delicious. You just see the work like that. Why am I getting errors though? It's like, yo, your info panel is not yet here. Oh, let's just say if. Just make sure it exists before we try to destroy it. Yo, it's late. I should have dinner by now. Oh yeah, the settings. Settings. They should be 0, it seems. Because now it's filling the character itself, it's of course already in the center. Something else I wanted to do, right? Margin increase. Let's see what we got. Show me what you got. That Show Me What You Got episode was pretty good, to be honest. It makes absolutely zero sense, but that's what makes it such a great episode. I think that's the key formula to Rick and Morty is just wacky as fucking shit happens, and Rick is just like, oh, this is normal. This is fine. This happens every day. And Morty, of course, fucking cries. Oh, we're so fucking close now. Should say plus. Should say plus. Also, I need to display the. I guess the the unique effect for behind the bar is only like one line of text. It's not an actual effect. So, oh, there's some effect, but it's always one line. So I could just always make the bottom line be that. Then the max number of lines will I think be 4, maybe 5, but that still fits.
We gaan nu eten.
Oké, kijk dit hè. Dat is mooi hè.
Waarom is die ondersteboven?
Hè?
Waarom is die ondersteboven? Oké.
Dan moet ik hem grijpen bij zijn lurven en dan doe ik zo.
Amazing. We gaan eten.
Dat is cool hè. Daar heb ik 3 weken aan besteed. Nee, een halve week. Oké, een week misschien.
3 weken dus.
No. Okay, I will just. Dinner's ready, but I will just quickly fix the sorting issue. If I'm right. No. If I'm right. Setting these two to -10 should work. And this one as well. "20 days is the last time I streamed, I think. That's almost 3 weeks. I guess 3 weeks is like the standard vacation for like any job, so just ignore the other weeks I wasn't streaming. Just holy fuck, it's not even visible. I think -10 is behind the camera. Probably. Look at the camera. It's on -10 exactly, so. Change to -9. I should go to this developer meeting in Amsterdam soon. I really want to meet some developers, like maybe someone that's better with music or something, and I can like ask them to do maybe one song in exchange for I don't fucking know. A blicky. It's still not there. On Alt P, yes. One of the most important shortcuts to know in Unity is Alt P. It's a way to pause the game without having to let go of your mouse. Yeah, I really need this canvas. This panel. Why is it on minus 12 million? It's still minus 12 million. Should follow the player, which is... Maybe this is where the local space boolean comes in, but just check. Just say I now activate the local space. Does nothing. Okay, I'll fix this after dinner.